Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today is a new video, obviously. I came up with this concept of continuing my series of cartoon animals driving. I came up with this idea of a cartoon rabbit and a race car. So I was like pretty excited about the idea, and I thought that was a little original. So I looked up references of cartoon rabbits and a race car, and I came up with this. So yeah, uh, I decided to color the race car pink because that's my favorite color, and I did that. And then, as you'll see here, that the number on the car is 30 because I will be turning 30 this Friday. So I'm so excited. Um, I don't know why I'm excited for my birthday, but I always get excited for my birthday, so I don't know about you, but yeah, anyways, so I decided to do 30 for the car number. So, yeah, trying not to cough right now, actually. Um, so anyways, I'm declaring the car now, and, um, on a side note, my hair will be different on, I think, Friday, because I'm dyeing it, at two crazy colors on um, Thursday, so there's not much that I'm gonna go in depth, kind of like a surprise a little bit. But anyways, on a side note, so look forward to that. Anyway, for this drawing, I decided to use my Ohuhu markers. And then I added a sun later to the drawing, just to give it more interest to it. So yeah, that's what I did there. So anyways, I'm a little talkative this morning. I'm about to go around and get a haircut later, but anyways, that's not important. Back to the drawing. So I keep getting distracted. Sorry, guys. I was using purple to color the insides of the car to make the rabbit stand out. So yeah, I came up with this idea of rabbit in a race car. I thought it was pretty cute, so I had to do it. I was thinking, for other series, I could do cartoon animals dancing. And they could do like a little type of dance, like a hippo could be hip hop dancing, or a bear could be doing break dancing, or a bunny doing a break dancing, something like that, or doing ballet or whatever. So I was thinking otherwise for my next series of doing that. So I thought that would be pretty cute. But I'll have to go into just drawing for that to get the action down of the dance moves. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little blabble. I've been going on about my hair, and then not that you would care or anything, but, anyways, that's just a little update for now. The video's almost done. We got like, 3 more minutes. So, I might add some music in for the rest of the drawing. So, there's some markers I use now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm going to add music to the rest of the video. Oh, here I'm adding the sun, usually to give the drawing more interest, there. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, almost 90 subscribers, guys, the last time I checked. So, anyways, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.